What is going on YouTube? So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how you can get unlimited free coins and diamonds in DLS 24. This uses a mod for DLS 24 that's going to give you unlimited resources, and it is completely free. It's super easy, guys. So that's what I'm going to show you in this tutorial. So just make sure you follow all of the instructions. You need to use your mobile phone. So you can see here, guys, I've got my iPhone, and you need to open up the internet and head on over to this website. So type it exactly how I'm going to be typing it here, guys. www.speedy, these are different, plugin.com. So you can pause the video if you need to, just make sure you do go correct website. Speedy plugin, guys, this website is awesome. I discovered them recently, and as you can see on my screen, they have tons and tons of different mods for different games and stuff. So you can either scroll down and look for the DLS 24 mod, or you can go to the search bar at the top of the page here. Oops, let's just quickly, you press the X. I went on the wrong one there, guys. Sorry about that. I'm trying to do this through the mobile phone screen. So if you go to the search bar and type DLS, this will pop up DLS mod unlimited coins and diamonds mod for iOS and Android. So pretty self-explanatory, guys. You can get this app on your phone, run it in the background as you play DLS 24, and it's just going to give you unlimited resources. So you got to basically follow the instructions on the next screen. So go ahead and tap this button here. Now, I've already got the app, so I won't be able to do it again. But basically, guys, if this is your first time on Speedy Plugin, when this gets to the end, let me just cancel it, but I'll talk you through the process. When that gets to the end, you're going to see a new screen, and it basically is a device verification. So if this is your first time getting a mod from Speedy Plugin, you essentially will need to complete a verification. And it's super easy, guys, so it will show you the instructions when this reaches the end. But yeah, all you have to do, guys, is basically complete a couple of these simple tasks, and that's going to get you the DLS 24 mod. Super easy. I spent hours this morning searching for a way how to get free coins and diamonds in DLS 24, and this is definitely the easiest way. So hope you enjoyed, guys. And yeah, make sure you head on over to speedyplugin.com. Any questions, drop in the comment section below. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, guys.